Hey guys, it's me. Finally. Hello, it's been 82 years. But here I am, and today I am going to be doing a birthday haul, so like the stuff that I got for my birthday, and trying it all on, which I've already done as you can see. So yeah, if you guys want to see me kind of review this stuff for my birthday, and you know, try it all on, see if you might like it, then keep on watching. I have actually been so busy, and that's why I haven't filmed in such a long time because, well, let's see. I had my birthday, which was on July 10th, and I went to Craven, like the country music festival, last weekend, and it was actually fantastic. It was my first time going, and it was awesome, and I would so go again. It was great. But yeah, I really haven't done anything since then, so I was like, well, might as well do this, and I haven't done one in so long, I'm sorry, but I was too busy having like a super fun time. But yeah, I'm back now, and I'm sick, and I think I honestly got sick from Craven, but that's okay. Like, when you have such a good time that you get sick, it's worth it, right? So yeah, I guess we'll just jump right into this, to my birthday haul and try on. Okay, so to start off, I got the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Stick Foundation in Y225, and I just went to Sephora and they did that like skin like color match thing on me. It just looks like that. So I've never actually used a stick foundation before, so we're gonna give it a go and see how I like that. But the girl said that it was gonna be really good for my dry skin, and that she definitely recommended the stick over the liquid version of this, so let's give it a try. Okay. This is kind of like scary. I've never used a stick foundation, so oh, I don't want to accidentally use too much, because I don't actually use that much foundation in the first place, so whatever. You can always put more on. It's like you can't take it off, but why is this not on a blend out? I just got that all over my mirror. Why does this not want to blend, it seems like? Once it blends in, it actually looks not that bad. Looks pretty good actually. I like it, but whatever. I guess it's a stick. It's not a liquid, so it's not gonna blend like as easy. Okay, so I actually like do like the way it looks. It just took longer to blend in than what I usually use, which is this, but this is also a liquid, and then this is a stick, so I really like, I feel like, you know, you can't blame it, like it's just because they're two kind of different things. But yeah, I actually really like the way it looks, and honestly right now it might be a little light for me because I actually like tanned a lot, which I'm pretty proud of, even though it doesn't look like it, but I'm really tan for myself right now. So yeah, I actually really like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my concealer, and I didn't get anything for concealer, so I'm just gonna use my Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer blah 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 in the shade Light Warm, and I'm just gonna, I actually really like this concealer, it's really good. We go under there, get rid of them dark circles. Oh, I hate getting sick. I don't even know if like yesterday I thought, oh no, I'm gonna be sick. And now I actually feel like crap. But the good thing is, my mom has like this tea from David's Tea, and it's like Cold Remedy 911 or something like that it's called. And even if you just smell it, it like clears up like anything you have in your nose, and it's so good. And it has like peppermint and eucalyptus and stuff. It's so good. I'm so thankful for it. But yeah, I'm not blessed to be getting sick. But I think the reason that I'm getting sick is from Craven. I just like didn't exactly have the best sleep there. And you know, my people are there. There's probably like a frick ton of germs. So that's cool. But whatever. I had a good time. It was really good. Okay. So now the concealer is done. I'm gonna move on to the next thing that I got for my birthday, and it was this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and it's actually just like the mini one, because I pretty much, oh, this is so cute. I don't know if I'll use it. I'll try to use this, because the girl was like, she's just the one. She's like, oh, if you're just using it for like setting your under eyes and stuff, you probably won't need that much. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it a go. I know lots of people use their beauty blender, but I want to give this little flippy thing a go. Let's see. I need more than that. I actually don't know if I like how this little flippy thing is working, so we're gonna try actual beauty blender here. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, so I just went and like quickly did my brows because I didn't get any like brow stuff for my birthday, so I was like, nobody wants to see that anyways. So I did them really quick, and now, let's see. I got, yeah, I guess I got this. I got this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Longwear Matte Bronzer. And I know that you guys are probably like, why are you so late getting this? So, just like that. And it's not in the box because I've actually already used it. I don't really like it. And it smells like chocolate. And, ugh. I feel like crap. But if it's because of Craven, I'm not even mad. I actually had a really good time. And Luke Bryan, even if you're like not in the country, I'd still recommend going and seeing him. He is such a fantastic performer. He's such a nice guy. And he sounds exactly like he does. If you listen to him on the radio or on your phone or whatever, he sounds like the exact same. He doesn't sound any different. And yeah, he's just such a great performer, and I wish I could have like met him or something. But yeah, he's like a great performer, and if he ever comes to Edmonton, I'm gonna go see him so fast. I don't even care. So yeah, that's what that looks like, and it smells so good, obviously, because it's the chocolate matte, and they actually use like cocoa powder, I guess, in it. So that's that. I also like forgot to mention, like, okay, obviously you guys have probably noticed this, but I have eyelash extensions on. These aren't fake eyelashes, these are the extensions, and I got them on because I didn't feel like doing my makeup every single day at Craven, and I didn't want to look like a rat, so I got eyelash extensions. So we'll see how that goes. If I get, like, I've gotten them before, I don't get them on a regular basis. I usually only get them if I'm going on a trip or something. Like, I got them before I went to Hawaii and stuff. And so I don't usually wear makeup with them. So obviously I'm not going to put false eyelashes on today. I'm just going to leave it like this. But I am doing an eyeshadow look, so we're going to see how that works out with fake eyelashes. We're going to have to see, because I don't know how it's going to work out, but we're just going to have to wait and see, I guess. So now I'm just going to blush up my face with the the Tarte Party blush. And you know what I'm so mad about? This blush is literally like, it's like a little sample size one, and I freaking love this blush. It looks so nice, like on me at least, and I really love it. And so I was like, oh damn, like it's only a little tiny size, so obviously like, it's not gonna last me forever. And so I went to Sephora like a while ago looking for it in the bigger size, and I guess they don't make it in the bigger size or something. Like, I didn't ask, but I also like couldn't find it. Like it just wasn't there in the bigger size. So I was like, excuse me? Like, this shade is so pretty. How could you not make it in a big size? So I guess next time I go, I'll have to ask them. But yeah, I'm pretty upset about that. I'm kind of triggered, actually. Okay, now I'm just going to highlight, and what do I feel like using today? I'm going to use my little Becca one. I honestly just get lots of the tiny sizes of stuff because these are really expensive for the big ones, and honestly the little ones will last me a good amount of time too, so until I start using more and more of this, then maybe I'll buy the bigger size. But I have like lots of highlights already, so it's like I use this one every single day, so I feel like it'll last me a decent amount of time. Let's get the nose done too. Let's get the little nose highlight in there. Good. Okay. Now I think I'm going to be ready to start on the eyes then. And I actually got a new eyeshadow palette for my birthday, so we're gonna check that out. I'm just gonna prime my eyes really quick first. Okay, sorry about that. My camera freaking died on me, so I'm gonna try and get this done fast, so I don't have that happening again. So now we're gonna do eyeshadow, and I got this Urban Decay Beached eyeshadow palette, and I'm actually really glad that my mom got this for me because I've been wanting it for like a while, and I was like, man, should I buy it? I don't really need another one, but I really like the colors in there, but man, I don't have any money. So I was just like not gonna buy it, and then, but look, it's so pretty. I love the blue colors, and yeah, I'm like really excited to use it. So we're gonna have to do this kind of quick in case my battery dies again, because I didn't give it enough time to charge fully. I just want to like get this done with, so we're gonna do this real quick. Okay, so there is only like 2 matte shades in here. The rest are like shimmery. So I'm just gonna go into like the lightest shade called Salt with this MAC 224S brush. I'm gonna pick some of that up on there and get that all kind of over. Okay, so I got that on there, and now I'm just going to take a MAC 217 brush and go into the other matte shade called Daybreak, this kind of orangey, rusty orange one. Pick some of that up, and then also put that in my crease. This is actually blending out very nicely. I really like this color. Okay, so now that that is all like blended and freaking beautiful looking, I'm going to, I really want to play with the blues, so I think I'm going to take, I don't know, because I'm thinking maybe if I do the darker blue like out here and the lighter blue in here, that might look nice, but I don't know if the dark blue is like too dark, so I might just start off with like a tiny bit of the lighter blue. I don't know, I think I'm going to take just a tiny bit of concealer on my finger. Actually, I'm right-handed. I'll do this over here. Just like a tiny bit. It's all done. So I'm going to dip in first with the probably just light blue color, see how I like it, and see if I want the dark blue even on there. I don't want to touch it. It's so like pristine and beautiful, but oh my goodness. Look at it. I am so in love with this color. Oh my god. Okay, so after seeing how much I like this, I think I am going to put a little bit of the dark blue in. Not exactly my outer corner, but kind of like between the light blue and the orange Daybreak shade, which I actually also really like. Just a little bit of this, which is also really pretty. I don't like it as much as I like the light blue, but it's still freaking beautiful. Under eye, I think I'm just going to take that little orange shade, Daybreak, and just put that under here. Okay, and since I'm feeling blue so hard right now, and in the spirit of keeping things blue, I'm going to take this Anastasia single eyeshadow, just a little like blue one, and it's in the shade Icy. I am going to take a small MAC 219S brush, just pick some up on there. Why isn't it picking up? There we go. I'm going to put some on my inner corner. Okay, so there is one more thing that I want to share with you that I got for my birthday makeup wise. I don't actually know if I'm going to wear it, but I got for like, you know, your Sephora birthday gift or whatever, I got a Bite lipstick and a lip liner. The lip liner is just kind of a pinky nude. It's in the shade Glace. And then I got this tiny little lipstick in the shade Chai, and it is just this baby lipstick. Like, look, this is my thumb next to it. I gotta do this quick because it says the battery is low again, so let's try this out really quick. So yeah, that's a lip liner. That's actually a really nice color. I would just wear that by itself, but we're gonna put the lipstick on top because we want to try that out too. So it's just this tiny baby lipstick in the shade Chai, so let's give her a go. Ooh. Fucked up. Okay, well I'm gonna go fix that, but otherwise, I really like this. Yeah, we're all done, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching my birthday haul of stuff that I got. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I'm so bad at these closing things. I don't want to do like the awkward like that like everyone else does, and else it will be like, don't forget to like and subscribe. So I guess this is it. Thanks for watching.